Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Lawyer's Law for Students. Have you ever heard of the term white paper? You know what it is? It has a relevance. It has a relevance to the constitution and constitutional history of our country. Let's talk about that. See, 1930, 1931 and 1932 would be known in Indian history as the years of Round Table Conferences. First Round Table Conference, 1931 the second one, and 1932 the third one. The what are Round Table Conferences? What were they? Basically, there was peace talks initiated by the British government and the Indian representatives so that we could have some major constitutional reforms. So proceeding on these lines, we come to the third one. The third Round Table Conference was sometime around November 32. It continued till December 32. Right. So they basically discussed the reports of the subcommittees of the earlier Roundtable Conference. And what followed eventually was that in March 1933, the British government issued a document. That document is called White Paper. Alright. So what is a White Paper? So White Paper contained the proposals of the British government in the lines in which the Constitution of India was to be formed. Whatever words you put in, understand the concept. The white paper contained the proposals of the British government and the lines in terms of which the Constitution of India was to be shaped, the form, whatever. Now in April 1933, the British government appointed a joint parliament select committee. Why? To discuss the proposals. So the committee discussed at length, and eventually the report of the committee was again published, but a year later, in the month of November 1934. The royal assent was given to the bill in 1935, and that was the birth of the Government of India Act 1935. So white paper to the Government of India Act 1935 is basically very important because it is the backdrop of the formation of the Constitution of India. So if you study the Constitution of India without a fair concept of how the Government of India Act came, or Government of India Act 1935, or what is a white paper, and following up with the Indian Independence Act, then the grip is not proper. It's not all about marks. It's about understanding the fundamentals too. We'll discuss all about the Government of India Act 1935, something which may not be in your syllabus and course, but certainly it would help you in the long way. Again, once I say lockdown time, study. Study hard, study well, and prepare yourself for the future ahead. We need to bring a change within ourselves so that we can fight the virus. Yes, from within. Take care. Good day.